No dog.
There is no meat today, only banana.
There is a meat.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So there you go. See, Arvel's dongs is very good. He's a good man. So what I put here, one more is a pumpkin. Yeah, put it here. I get one more pumpkin for you. Put the pumpkin first, eh?
Smile.
Yes. Very good. Yeah. Put the pumpkin like this, skin around it, eh? Around.
So, like
Yes.
making a circle.
Yeah, like making a circles, huh? Exactly. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Now, bananas over here. All around here, eh? Around this side. Oh, you're the man. Beautiful. You make beautiful.
So, like this.
Yes. Over there, yeah. Put it down here. Don't throw your food, eh? Yeah. Very good. You're a good man.
Smile. Chips.
Excellent. Now, best part. Okay, she's good. Can I have the basket, the plate? So, yeah. All right. Now you start putting from this side. Hold on the side. Yeah.
So, just
Yep. Yeah. Somebody take a photo of him. Yeah. Straight down. Put down. Yeah.
okay.
So you open the leaves like this. Watch.
Right.
Okay. Next one. I pass it to you. You're a good man. Yep. Woo! Look at that. Next. He's a good man. He's a very good man. Yes, I should find you a very nice wife, eh? But you'll be able to make babies? No?
I hope so.
Lot of babies, not one baby, lot.
Oh, then I'll have to think about it.
Okay, other side. Now, yep. You do this side like this. Yes.
So, crisscross.
Crisscross. Yep, that's it, like that, yeah? Very good man, you are a good man. I'm sure you can make a lot of babies. Yes, very good. Yep, same thing. See? Spanish people will see you making this. Yep, you making this cooking, not me. Yes? No cook, we don't blame me, we blame you. Yeah, I pass.
Alright.
Yes. Other side.
So,
Yeah, over there. Start there. See? That's what you do. You do crisscross. Yeah.
how many layers?
Depends. You can have 1 layer, 2 layer, but better to cover more, eh? Yeah? Good. Now, all we need is, remember that leaf. Okay, sir? You can put your leaves on. The leaves you make the
Right.
I put mine, you guys put yours.
I'll bring them.
Yes. Good fuming. Yeah, now put it on the top where the smoke is.
So here?
Yes. Yep, where the smoke. Yes, right. Excellent. I have that. I have this. I put more stuff on. So before ancient culture, that's how they have. Many of these then cover with the dirt, see? So we're looking at 1,000 years of method. Then we have today, they put the foil, yeah, and then they cover it with a blanket like this. Yeah?
Oh, so like the same style but modern.
Yeah, modern ways. Yeah, just to give you the things, what they did in ancient culture and what they're doing today now.
Yeah.
In Hawaii, they do the same like this.
Oh, Hawaii.
Yeah. Yes. They do the same like this, but they do not show the way ancient culture. My friend, can you come hold your side?
Sorry.
We walk right over. It's finished.
All right.
So that's it. So what they do is they cover with dirt, eh? So because you're the chef, how long you think we're gonna be eating today?
That's such a good question.
Oh no, not
let
typical.
me try and
Yeah, figure out like what you cook chicken and
I don't use the oven much.
What do you use?
Maybe I use the grill and.
Oh, okay. See, like
but,
the grill is the same.
But grill wood should be
Yeah.
fastest. Would be
Passes,
faster.
yes, you're right.
So this maybe chicken 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour and a half.
1 hour, 1 hour and a half. Oh, not bad. Very good. Not bad.
So
not
what's
bad
the right
thinking.
answer?
1.5 hour is very close. So plus the banana, plus the pumpkin.
Mm.
So you want to throw another half an hour?
So 2.
Yes. So make it even. Nothing is 1.5. Everything is always in
Or
even
three.
number. Yes. Everything is in number, either 1 hour or 1.5 hour. So you're right. 10 o'clock. So 10, 11, 11, 12 or 11:30, it will be cooked.
Okay.
So I find for the
Oh.
smoke.
Awful.
Yes, I find see the smoke. You must cover with the dirt.
So it doesn't go out.
Yes, doesn't go out. You must lock.
Yeah.
You must lock. Yeah? You must lock. You watch. You'll find the way. You find his way and you lock. See?
Still.
Still. So you want to make sure it's locked as possible as you can. Because 2 things can happen here. One, you come back, the place is burned. That's traditional knowledge. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
2, you don't cook. You won't cook your food. So that heat is to help cook the food. So these are the moist of actually the leaves that you put in and the banana stems down the bottom. It's becoming heat. So what you do as the flavor, because that's the flavor. So what you do is you want to lock it so it goes in the food. So that's what is happening here. So if you don't lock it, your food is going to be not taste as good as what is expected as traditional oven. So, any questions? Any questions?
Can I have some water?
Yes, you're gonna climb your coconut tree.
Okay. Let me just.
Okay, if you want some water, we'll show you how the old people do it.
Okay.
You've seen all these rubbish Hawaiian thing climbing up and down like monkeys. Rubbish.
I love the Hawaii's the worst.
But that's the show of people as. But in ancient culture, what about if you get old? What do you do? What about all the young warriors? So every part of nature, it have a possibility of having hook. Have a look at this perfect example. You see, that's a hook. So what they do is they lash it. Yeah. So small hook, they lash it.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, so they use that or they use a long pole. They hook it on. So we're gonna have a drink of coconut, very soon. I'll show you the way how old people do in ancient culture. But we don't call old, we call papa.
Mm-hmm.
So what's papa means to you? What's papa?
Father.
Father.
Father. What's mama?
Mother.
Mother.
Mother? Okay. So for you, it's just a parenting talking, not for us. All right, let me illustrate it to you. A papa is, you beat the knowledge. Papa means beat in our language. Yeah?
Well, Papa used to beat, you know.
Yeah. So you beat the knowledge. Yeah? You beat the knowledge into the man. So when he become wise, older, so you call them Papa. I am not Papa yet because I haven't got to that knowledgeable person yet.
Right.
So mama meaning is easier for woman to capture everything than a man. The man, you must beat things into them because they're very stubborn, right?
Right.
Right. So that's the history of men in ancient culture. I don't know European, but it's true. It's instant for women to realize things is wrong. That's why you need women in ancient culture and even today.
Yeah.
Because we men think we know it because we
Yeah.
got big muscles and a big brain. No, but the woman is very flows with nature, flows with the winds. But they know better than us. So in ancient culture, because our ancestors, our island was brought up by women. Yeah? Instance, that's why you go to the Pacific Island because you hear of these warrior and maidens, yeah? But these warrior, they die before even they reach 30 years old.
Yeah.
That's why they call it warrior. They're soldiers. They're the guards of this island. Yeah? So, any questions? No?
No question?
Okay. Have you any questions?
Nope.
Yes. Okay, now